Here's a little update on 250SX, my old three-wheeler that I'm fixing up. Did some cleaning up of the parts today and painting. So swing arm there, cleaned up, waiting for the rear diff to come in the mail. The gas tank scratched down, ready for some paint. Skid plate, draw shaft, foot pegs, rear sleeve for the rear swing arm. Get the frame all painted. The hub cleaned up, unseized. Get some new handlebars. Some paint on the shock. Went through the wiring harness, took all the shitty tape off and replaced it. Gotta get a new switch. All the parts stripped off down here on the floor. Exhaust. Head pipe's good. I gotta get a new exhaust so this is what was on it. What's left of an old Cobra exhaust. So tomorrow I can start putting this back together.